Hi, in this video we're going to delete the data in the table of this Google Sheet file. For do that, I will use this macro code, and if you want to use, you need to update this URL part, and you need to create a new script, Google Script project. I will show you how to create a new one. For example, I will create a new project, and I will paste my code. This code you can find in the comment or in the description of this video. And here you need to update the ID of your file and the name of your page or your sheet, sorry. So go to your file. If you don't know where is the ID is in this part, in the URL part. Exactly is this part, and the name of the page is this, so you can rename before executing your code, and everything will going well. In my case, I already updated in my code. Here is my ID, here is my sheet name, and I will give this project a name. For example, delete data, change the name, deploy, new deployment, select the type as web app, and give a description, any name, for example the same name of the project, that's not important, and who has access, anyone. In my case, I will give access to this project to make some change in Google Sheets. This is a dialog for that. I click on allow, and once it's done, the app script give us the URL for our project. I will paste this URL here, and now all is done. I will test it, and you see that the code is executing properly. Now, a long explanation of this is in the macro I using this HTTP call in the method post, and I am calling what URL? The URL that comes from Google Apps Script, and I am sending some data, that is this string that I have here, that is data rec and fname with the delay data value. In this part of the code, I am reading the post, I'm reading the data that data rec comes from, and also I am reading the fname content or value. If the fname value is, for example, delete data, I will execute this part, and also I will execute this function that is right here. And as you see before, in this part I'm reading the ID of the sheet, and I am reading the sheet properly. And of the sheet I get in the last row. This is the last row of the data, not the file. And here, if the last row is 1, I replace it as 2. This is because here I need to select all the rows starting from 2 to the last row. If the last row is 1, this part will give me an error, so I need to replace before executing this part. And once I have this selected, the 2 from the last row, I will execute this method, that is clear content, basically delete the data of the sheet. And here I have this paste data function that I used in previous video. If you want to see it, go. And any question you can ask in the comments. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more short videos. Goodbye.